My pup came home from Clydach today, and I am glad of it. Carty did not threat him as decent as he promised it. The Vilche mochus den noch, gerucht na schaskes, the hangeder de verne. Se jego vago vaskadurs nach me vid gomoraloch, nor hanik she valluchoin. And if you were to see him, 'twas really astonishing how little time a sheepdog without feeding would be vanishing. Vi slår in chikorer, not if dotin nak naghugan kassun ne gorer, na orloch de lagis nach me vi gomoraloch, nor hanik she valluchoin. And he was so very homesick, his throat got sore with sadness one morning ere they woke, sure his chain he broke with madness. The jarsche trees no kongur, le brotuch de knatuch shetri glaunt de wistri vorchnik, begolat na statuch shes nach me vid gomoraloch, nor hanik she valluchoin. He was so very lonesome, and the bones were poking through his skin, and that being somewhat torn, it could do no more than keep them in. The visheter schacht na tu, gan na hus na dole meir, spogaber da ve batis, se gwaltri a chum geiris nach me vid gomoraloch, nor hanik she valluchoin. His feeding whilst out there was small praties mixed in stir about. He could run all over Clydach with 40 of them in his mouth. Near of shul na schliege, och rinich levi ate, chos vi tanni is a fipe vi gradis nach me vi gomoraloch, nor hanik she valluchoin. And his adventures while out there, they will get go down in history, and how he got away, it will always be a mystery. Vi bekachtar van en panschuch, nor jarkik shen shekkidur, daar dik zoals a valigus, as gobrake knikkenur, snach me vid gomoraloch, nor hanik she valluchoin. And those black and barren ranges of Clydach, they are horrible, a vast 3,000 acres, with scarce an acre arable. Níl ánach atin gaelach, frech agus partis, da me ha mohán denach, bovelach dat ve gortis, nach me vid gomoraloch, nor hanik she valluchoin.